Welcome back, everybody. We're on some tidal waters around the Grand Lake area chasing chain pickerel. Let's see how we make out. We'll start off with a little trolling. You guys know how much I love that. Gonna try a spinnerbait on one side and a Rapella weedless spoon on the other. We did mark some fish deep, so I might slow down the troll a little bit just to get the bait down a little deeper. Oh, geez, we might have a fish on there, guys. Oh, did we lose him? What was that? What was that? I don't feel any weeds on it right now. There was a pile back there, so it might have been bumping. Well, that could have been just weeds. Get her back out. Oh, I think we're on, guys. We're on. There's our first one. Boy, he feels like he got some weight to him as well. This could be the mother. Hey, what is going on here? We are on. Feels like a half decent fish. Wow. Yes, sir. That's our first gator of the day. Oh, just lost him. And there's the bait we're using for one side. The old white spinner bait. Back out again, let's see what happens. Oh, there's a fish. Now we set the hook. Wow. My gosh. What is with these gators? They seem to be really fighting today. What the heck? My gosh, what a first strike. Last time I never set the hook, I don't think. Oh my gosh, big fish. There it is, our first gator. Probably 22, 23 inches. Nice. It's a pretty warm day, but it doesn't seem to be slowing down the gators. That's probably our third bite in 5 minutes. And nice fish too. Boys, they were really fighting hard. We are having a blast. Woo! That made my day already. Gonna keep doing what we're doing. Trolling right along the edge of the weed line. Living the dream. You see the action on that Rapella spoon. It really flops around like that. Makes it hard for the fish to zone in and hit it though. I've seen them miss it a lot. Gotta love that. Oh, I'm gonna say there's another one. Set our hook. Is he on? Yes, he is. Okay. Love it. Just keep the pressure on that guy. Oh my sacred heart. There's a pretty tiny one. Easy now. Oh, away he goes. Just gonna work this weed line around this corner and then we're gonna start casting, I think. We might be in the right position the way the wind's going right now. Time to do some casting. And we are just going to be throwing another spinner bait. You can see how I have her splashing. Imitates a minnow or a bait fish breaking out of the water. That usually gets the old gator's attention. And makes her pretty weedless too. Oh, we got one right there. Come right up for her. Yes, sir. See if we can get him around the boat some now. Oh, come on. Oh, big splashes. There he is. Nice gator. Putting up a good fight. Okay. That's enough playtime. Nice size, probably in the 20-inch class. Nice chubby guy, real healthy. Whoa, easy. Oh, there's a fish, guys. Back in the weeds a little ways. There he goes. Smaller guy, but we'll take him. Okay, he's in the boat. Uh-oh. Nice little gator. Yeah, let's check our rigging. All looks good. See how the bait's running. Bait's running good. There was a little cove back there, and that's exactly where that fish laid. Perfect ambush spot. Oh, we're on. Oh man, we are way back there, guys. Oh, he's way in the weeds. I'm not sure I'm gonna get him out. Oh, he is deep, deep, deep. Okay, he's coming. Oh. Oh. I knew that was going to be a tough battle. First open spot way back there and we hooked one. I might try a topwater, to be honest with you. It's a half decent size. Gonna go with the old Strike King topwater frog. Got the little stinger hook on her as well. A little leader. Back to the spinner bait. No luck with the old weedless frog. Oh, there we go. That was a big fish. Oh, jeez. I thought I put the wood to him, but he come off. That was a nice fish. Probably mid-20s. Oh, there we are, we're on. Okay, right for the weeds now. Here we go. Okay, he's through. Oh! Oh, well, we're getting him closer to the boat. Another one gone. Boys, we really wrapped him in. Oh, we're on. Now, can we get this guy in? We're in a crap load of weeds. Oh, off again. What do you do? There we go, we got one. And out in open water. Oh, oh my God. Oh, lost him too. Oh my God. Ooh, guys, did you see that? Got him. Okay, we got him. My gosh. Finally. There, just so you can see they're actually fish. Whoa, whoa. There. Little guy, but we got him in the boat. Finally. There we go. Okay. Lost him right there at the boat. Little guy. We'll take him though. There we are, we're on. Oh, big triple jump. Oh, I think we got him in the lips pretty good. See where he comes now. He come right out of the water, that guy. Okay, another guy. Smaller, but we'll take him. Nice little gator. There he goes. About 8 o'clock, so we're gonna troll back that spinner bait. Get a little grub at the same time. Get off the water before dark is what I'm thinking. How's that for a cloud formation? That's some pretty awesome scenery, folks. Makes coming out here all worthwhile. Fishing's just a bonus. Oh, I think we got a fish on. We do. One more before the end of the night. How about that? Can we get him in? Let's try her. I think he's still there. He's coming. Swimming right for the boat now. See if we can get him around the other side. Yep, there he comes. See if we can get him in. Okay, he's in the boat. Show you guys. Probably the smallest one of the day. We'll take him though. Away he goes. Oh, there's a fish. Got another one. Or do we? Yeah, he's on there. Wow, that's nice, right at last light. I'm gonna say the old trolling bite's working out today. See if we can get him around. I don't think he's very big again, but oh no, smaller guy. Love to see it though. Easy now, little guy. Nice little gator. Definitely made the right choice to come out here on a Friday evening. No other place I'd rather be. Look at that sunset. Absolutely beautiful. Got into about a dozen pickerel, pretty happy with that. And if you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button. It really helps out the channel. Until next time, stay safe.